The newly introduced voice bundles seem to be enjoyed by many, if not all, Swazi MTN customers. This is a cheaper method of calling compared to the standard rate, which is 1.20 cents per minute. There has since been an increase in time spent on phones by customers, and customers frequently use the voice bundles. This was said by MTN Communications Officer Mandla Luphondvo.
We are excited to note 100% increase in the rate at which our customers are able to make calls. The increase is twofold. It is in terms of the frequency. People are able to call now and then. So we were noting an increase in the frequency. Secondly, we're also noting an increase in the duration of calls. In the past, we've had to come up with promotions because there were instances where customers would, as a matter of precedence, would continuously call for a space of not more than a minute. We have in the past come up with promotions to make sure that customers stay on the network for more than a minute. But what is happening now is that customers are voluntarily staying on the network for more than a minute. So that for us is exciting, and we want to also assure our customers that voice bundles are here to stay.
Luphondvo clarifies and emphasizes that this is not a promotion, as voice bundles are here to stay. I am Kian Msibi with Mbonga Dube for Swazi TV News in Mbabane.